Today, I'm going to show you how to create ultra-realistic AI object-crushing videos that are getting millions of views across YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. These videos are incredibly satisfying to watch, easy to make, and take only a few minutes from start to finish. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss the latest AI tools, viral video ideas, and step-by-step tutorials. Now, let's jump straight into it. The first step is to open ChatGPT. Simply type, "Give me 20 creative object ideas for an industrial shredder crushing video." Press enter, and within seconds, ChatGPT will generate a list of unique and engaging objects that are perfect for this type of content. Browse through the suggestions and choose the object you want to crush. For this tutorial, I'm selecting Lamborghini. Next, open the master prompt from the link in the description and copy the complete prompt. Everything is already prepared for you, so the only thing you need to change is the object name. Now, open Google Flow, switch to the Video tab, choose the OmniFlash model, and adjust the rest of the settings however you prefer. Paste the prompt into the prompt box, replace the object with the one you selected from ChatGPT, and then click Generate. Within a short time, Google Flow will produce a realistic industrial shredder video featuring your chosen object. Since the prompt stays exactly the same, you can create unlimited videos by simply replacing the object every time. And that's it! Once everything is set up, creating new viral videos only takes a few minutes. Try different objects, test different ideas, and see which ones get the best results. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and stay tuned for more AI video creation tutorials and fresh viral content ideas.